Hi, my name is Wayne Thellen. I'm a Scottish writer and film director, and I'm here to tell you why I'll be voting for Alex Salmond come next Thursday, the 5th of May, in the elections for the Scottish Parliament. There's many reasons, but for me, two stand out. The first is that, if I'm being really honest with you, I actually voted against having a Scottish Parliament in the first place in '97 when Tony Blair kindly gave us the referendum. So to say that my position has moved on somewhat in those years would be a bit of an understatement, but it has, and I've become a nationalist simply because of the power of the argument, and that argument has been very well set out by Alex Salmond primarily and the SNP. For me, only the SNP can put Scotland first. It's as simple as that. Regardless of what Labour, the Conservatives or Lib Dems or the rest will tell you, they are national parties that have to toe the party line to London. Only the SNP can put Scotland first because only the SNP in the Scottish Parliament answers to nobody but themselves. For me, only the SNP can deliver the future that Scotland deserves, that Scotland needs, that Scotland craves. Only the SNP have it in them to put Scotland first. It's just a fact. So I hope, like me, you'll vote SNP this Thursday the 5th in the coming elections. Thank you.
Together we'll stand, divided we'll fall. Come on now, people, let's get on the ball and work together. Come on.